y'all, how y'all doing? This is your boy Stretch. I'm back again with another video. This time we got another breakfast video going on. Yeah, I just wanted to get on here and say good morning to y'all, good evening to y'all, and how are you guys doing? With my grape juice. But anyways, I'll say this. I am hungry, and I don't care what no one say. But I got some breakfast for y'all. Some eggs, some egg sausage, turkey sausage, and some English muffin. And what I'm about to do is dive in. Ooh, I hit that no good. Give me some eggs. Make me like a little sandwich. I'm so like starving. Ugh. Give me like a little sandwich, sausage sandwich, whatever you want to call it. Sausage egg McMuffin, my version, the best version. Put that cap on there. Yep. Oh, wow. Then y'all have the Kool-Aid or the juice. Oh my God. So good. We got like a nice breakfast. So yeah, with the egg, little egg, little this, little that. Whatever you eat for breakfast, make it you. Wake up in the morning, make it smart, make it good, make it great, right? But nah, on some real though, I want to also sit down and talk to y'all about like what's going on in this damn world, okay? So we got this whole new disease called the coronavirus. And I'm like this. If you sneeze, I don't care if you're like 4 feet away, bitch, I'm spraying your ass, okay? I ain't trying to get sick with that stuff. Came out of nowhere and all that. Another thing, some of y'all people out there need to learn how to properly cover y'all face when y'all cough. Like literally, like cover your whole face. Your nose, all that, all everything. No, cover it, okay? I ain't got no time to be like getting sick and stuff because I had just, matter of fact, not so long I was just sick and I'm like, no, cover your face for real. Take y'all vitamins, like for real though, because it's serious out here. And don't go nowhere, honestly. Stay your ass at home, as mom would say, when they ain't got no money. For real. And good live. Yeah, but that's crazy. That right there ain't nothing to play with. It's like, damn, you really can't even go outside the country now. Because you damn sure can come back with some bullshit. Or some bull. It's crazy. People gotta get sprayed down so they leave the airport. It's crazy, y'all. Hmm. Yep, this is a quick little breakfast, you know, got my little sausages that I had to cut from the little box thing. Some eggs, some English muffin. Kind of did my own like version of an English muffin sandwich. I didn't have no sauce in it like that down here, but it's cool though. But yeah, that coronavirus, that's nothing to play with. Like, and I hate when people cough and stuff and don't cover their mouth. I don't give a damn if you in public or not. Cover your mouth, for real. Them germs spread. People be trying to tell me, oh no, blah blah this and no, cover your mouth. Better yet, I'm gonna get me one a double super XL face mask so I can cover my face. Be walking in all type of stuff. Don't care though. Be germ free. Matter of fact, give me one of them bodysuits that you see in the videos and stuff that's going around when people getting out the airport that got that stuff with the diseases, the all white bodysuit. Give me one of those. Suit up, walk out like and live. Mm-hmm. This right here, it's amazing. It's good. It's great. But also real though. Oh, and make sure shoes y'all wash your hands like all the time. Literally all the time. I don't care if it's just to, look at your clock and go back to sleep. Wash your hands right after, okay? For real. Because you touching all type of stuff out there. You really don't know who had it first. I mean, or who had it before you. Especially when you're in public. For real. Have you some hand sanitizer on deck. That disease is nothing to play with. All diseases, honestly, it's nothing to really play with. But that right there, to the point where, shoes, everybody might need to start wearing face masks. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what I should have did? I should have cut up some sausage links, cut them in half, and fry them on the skillet on the stove. Those are bomb too. Those be bomb. Those sausage links. Oh my gosh, amazing. Hmm. But yeah, that virus though, it's nothing to play with at all. For real. Don't cough by me. Don't even breathe by me. I'm to the point where no, don't even sleep by me. Don't even sit by me. I'm gonna start putting little borders up around my my space. I'm a wall right here, a wall right there, a wall right here. I'm gonna be a moving wall. Just to avoid y'all fools. No, just But I get what I'm saying, right? Hopefully y'all do. Protect yourself out there, y'all. We all got to. For real. Mm-hmm. For real, for real. On the real. I gotta work on me pausing so much and trying to process my thoughts and stuff when I was trying to talk and say what I gotta say. I really do. I gotta work on that. Well, that'll be done another time, I guess. No, I like that. Hold on one second, y'all. All right, I'm back, y'all. I had to go make some noise adjustment because somebody was watching close. Anyways, I must be loud, but yeah, that coronavirus, that's nothing to play with, y'all. That's crazy. People dying from that. We really don't know what it is, what it's about, and I'm just like, I'm gonna be a full wall, like literally, like I don't even know. I'm gonna take a bath and stuff. For real, I'm gonna have to wear one of them full bodysuits when I come outside and stuff, and go on the train or whatever, like, or just be in public in general, like. And then on top of that, I'm really gonna have to like just wash. Make sure everybody out there take a bath every day. You should be doing that all the time. Anyways, if you have a bath or whatever the case may be, take a shower every day. Cleanse yourself. Make sure you wash your clothes properly. Um, and yeah, just make sure keep your hands clean and take your vitamins. Take them; they will save you. My mama, she used to get on me. She get on me. She still to this day get on me about taking my vitamins. Take my vitamins. Take my vitamins. And it's funny though, when I don't take my vitamins, I get sick as a dog. I never would understand that, but they work though for me at least. Um, yeah. Hmm. I love eggs scrambled. I don't like the sunny side or whatever the other one. I don't like those because I don't like that runny stuff. I don't like the runny stuff from the either what is the egg yolk. I don't like that part. Mm-mm. I like mine scrambled. I be looking at people like, how the hell can y'all eat that them eggs like that with all that shit about to run and shit. I need to stop cussing like that, y'all. I'm gonna try and work on that because YouTube, they'll probably try to demonetize and stuff. But all right, mm, yeah. But other than that, I hope everybody is having a blessed, time out there. Whenever you're currently gonna watch this video, if you're going through it, we all go through it though. You know, that's life. You just gotta live and thug it out, tough it out. Okay. You gotta, take it one day at a time. And you can't let one situation get you down. You gotta learn how to fight back. You gotta learn how to make, literally, when lemons is thrown at you, turn that shit into lemonade. Call it that. And move on. Because most likely it's somebody out there that's dealing with worse than you. Whatever you're going through it. So, yeah. I swear I be trying to get these crumbs, but they just don't want to come on my plate. Yeah. No, but y'all, seriously, protect your stuff with all means. I don't care if you gotta walk around with a shield, like had that Captain America shield, like when somebody call, had to reflect on the shit and reflect back off. I don't care. I don't care if you gotta walk around with a full body mask on. Do it, right? Protect yourself from all that stuff. Especially, man, because getting sick is not fun. It really ain't. It's like the whole day is just drained, and you just feel tired when you slept for like 8 hours straight. And I hate the feeling of like this, feeling like weak. Like, even though I might not be strong, you know what I'm saying? It's alright though. But I just hate the feeling of my bones and stuff just feeling so weak. Hate that. But hey, you live and you learn, and we are still a learning world. Unfortunately, this hasn't been that popular. It's still very fresh. So, yeah, you live and you learn. That's just it. That's just what it is. But on some real though, definitely protect yourself at all costs. Take your medicines, take your meds, especially if you are unfortunately already are sick and stuff. Take your meds. If you see somebody cough around you, shoot them. No, I'm just saying. Move away. That's what I pretty much do. Move away or build a wall around you, when you go in public, build a whole box around you. Be called a moving box. For real. Because there's nothing to play with at all, y'all. But on some real, though, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sign out. I love chatting with y'all. I love y'all when y'all click on my videos. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and get it popping. Thanks for all the support out there. And let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's pop it. Let's rock it. Let's sock it. Let's pop it. Hey! I'm just kidding, y'all. This is your boy Stretch. Just stretch. Stretchy stretch. Well, just stretch. Literally stretch. Anyways, I'm going to sign out, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.